So my base is already on. I've made sure I've got my SPF on, a really good primer, so my makeup's going to stay in place all day, and I'm just keeping everything very neutral to start my look. So I'm going to start off carving out my eyes, bringing a little bit more dimension by using pretty natural, slightly warmer colour just to enhance the eyes. I'm starting off with the Jordana Tisha palette. It's got some beautiful neutrals, and I'm going to start off with the shade Luna and Pisces, and then I'm going to add all the fun and glam afterwards. So now I've used those two colours, I feel like I need just a little bit more depth in the crease. So now I'm going to use this slightly darker shade, which is called Divinity. So now I'm going to start gradually building up some of that fun and flair that we want to see in a festival look. So I've chosen some really lovely iridescent shades. First of all, the iconic Fenty Diamond Bomb. This is a beautiful, very finely milled glitter eyeshadow. In fact, it's a highlighter, but you really can use this everywhere. And this is a really fun tip. I'm going to apply this to the face, to the eyes, and also I would apply it to the collarbone, the décolletage, to give that lovely glitzy glam feeling. And then I'm going to start layering on a little bit of colour, something with a bit more sparkle on it, just in specific places, and layer it up to give that really gorgeous glow. And now I'm going to take a lovely iridescent colour, which has got some pinks and purples. It's giving that really nice mermaid feel. I'm going to use my finger to apply this to the mobile lid, just because it packs a punch. So now for the main event, I want to do a gorgeous eyeliner with this colour. This is one of the About Face paints, and they are insane. They're these jewel chrome colours. And this one has flecks of both purple, blue and green, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So this is really feeding into that amazing mermaid look. Now, these show their colour best when they have black underneath. So what I'm going to do is carve out a beautiful winged liner with just a simple liquid eyeliner that's black. And then we're going to layer this over the top. Another tip to really make the eyelashes stand out is to also make sure that you wiggle that liner in between the lashes, almost going underneath them, and it will make that lash line look really impactful. So ideally you could do this with a pencil, but if you don't have a pencil, because you're in your tent, you can just use the liquid liner, but just be really conscious it doesn't go on your waterline. So now I'm going to use this amazing About Face paint. I'm so excited to use this. I'm going to pop it on, get a little bit on a brush, and just pat that over the eyeliner. Make sure your eyeliner is dry. I'm going to add a little bit of extra in the inner corner of my eye to give that real impact. And then just a final touch. I now feel I just need to add a little bit of dimension back into that socket because it feels a bit flat, and I have quite hooded eyes, so I like to make them look a little bit softened. So I'm going to take a final darker colour just to place in the crease. But I'm going to use this darker burgundy colour very sparingly, and this is called Matte Silk 9. Also just adding a little bit of this under the eye so there's a bit of continuity, and bringing a bit more depth under the eye so it doesn't feel unbalanced. And then I'm just going to soften that outer edge with a fluffy brush. So now I'm just going to add a touch of mascara for some impact, and we're using the Exaggerise mascara by Charlotte Tilbury. And lastly, we're going to add some final touches, a little bit of a highlight to the lip, and just add a little bit of definition around the lip. So maybe I'm thinking a dark chocolatey liner. So I'm just using my Diamond Bomb again, just to highlight my Cupid's bow. And now with my pencil, I'm going to outline my lip, but I'm going to make sure that I've blended it in. So this is going to give that really nice 90s look. And every festival look is not complete without a fantastic setting spray to make sure you keep it in place all day long. So I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This one has really good staying power. Your face should be wet, by the way, otherwise you haven't put enough on and it will evaporate. So if you want to go that little bit extra, you can absolutely finish off this look by applying some lovely gems all over the face, and that would take it to the next level. So that's my festival look, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.